Is your 2012 Honda Civic's alarm system driving you crazy with false alarms? The most common culprits are the door ajar sensors, hood latch, key fob, and the car's battery. The most common culprits are the door ajar sensors, hood latch, key fob, and the car's battery. The system relies on the body control module, BCM, door switches, hood latch sensors, key fob transmitters, and the vehicle's battery. To pinpoint the issue, first, check each door to ensure they're fully closed. Door switches send signals to the BCM. Misalignment can cause false positives. Inspect the hood latch for any signs of rust or damage that might prevent it from properly securing. Magnetic or mechanical sensor signals, if unsecured. Rust or weak springs are common. Replace the key fob battery, as a weak signal can trigger the alarm. Finally, test your car's battery voltage. It should be at least 12.6 volts. Low voltage affects all electronics. Addressing these components can resolve a majority of the false alarm issues. For door ajar sensor issues, start by cleaning the contact points with electrical contact cleaner. Ensure the sensor is properly aligned and free of debris. If the hood latch spring is bent or corroded, replace it with an aftermarket part. This is a simple mechanical fix that often resolves constant triggers. For key fob issues, reprogram it with your car's BCM. If reprogramming fails, the BCM itself may need replacement. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner with a smartphone app like Torque Pro to identify electrical faults and sensor issues. If problems persist, the body control module itself may be faulty. Consider professional replacement or install an aftermarket smart module for better reliability.